Good morning students, how are you all? Once again, welcome back to our maths class. So in the previous classes, we covered our fourth chapter. So I hope you all understood the fourth chapter, money. Now let us study the third chapter, measurement. So all of you please take a notebook, a new page on your notebook and write the chapter title, measurement on your notebook. Done? Okay, let us study. Students, do you know what is measurement? Measurement is an act of finding out the height of an object or the weight of an object or the length of an object or the distance between two objects or even the temperature of an object. The measurements is usually done by different measuring tools or instruments. They have different standard of units. Now let us detailedly study what is measurement and the measuring tools and also different types of standard units. Students, first let us study how to measure the length of an object. To measure the length of an object, we usually use a measuring tape and also a scale. Okay, so the measurement of length have different units. The smaller unit of length we use millimeter. So slightly bigger than millimeter is centimeter and bigger than centimeter is meter and bigger than meter is kilometers. We usually use kilometers in order to find the distance between two objects. Okay, so standard unit of length is meter. Students, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Understood? Students, weight mainly measured by these kind of instruments. The smaller unit of weight is milligram and slightly bigger than milligram is gram and even bigger than gram is kilogram. In order to measure the unit of liquid, we use the units like liter. Now let us study how to convert meters into centimeters. In order to measure the length of smaller objects like pencil, we use the basic unit, centimeter. Okay, in order to measure the length of bigger objects, we use meters. For example, the distance between two rooms and all. Okay, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. In order to convert the meter into centimeter, what we have to do is we have to multiply the number of meters by 100. Okay, now let us study how it should be do. Students, now let us study how to convert meters into centimeters. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the number of meters by 100. So let us study with some example. So 1 meter. Now we are going to convert this 1 meter into centimeter. So 1 into 100 is equal to 100. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 6 meter is equal to, so 6 into 100. So 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. So next example, 5 meter and 20 centimeter. So first let us start with this. 5 meter, so 5 into 100 is equal to plus that 20. So 500 meter plus that 20 centimeter is equal to 520 centimeter. Students, open your textbook, take page number 94. Can you see the exercise number 3.1? Let us solve that. So the A, 5 meter. How to solve this, students? What we have to do? Yeah, we have to multiply it by 100. So 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. So the B and C section you have to do by yourself. It is a homework for you. Now let us move to the next section. The first one is 1 meter and 20 centimeter. Okay, so let us do this. 1 into 100 plus that 20. So answer is. So the next B and C is a homework for you. Students, now let us study how to convert the kilometers into meters. The kilometers is basically used to measure the largest length. For example, the distance between your school and your home, or the distance between two cities. So kilometers is basically used for in order to measure the length of larger units. Okay. Now let us study. Before that, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. In order to convert the kilometers into meter, what we have to do is, we have to multiply the number of kilometers by 1000. Now let us study how it should be solved. Okay students, now let us study how to convert kilometer into meter. So what we have to do is, we have to multiply the number of kilometers by 1000. So let us study with some examples. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. So 7 kilometer plus 200 meter is equal to, let us solve this. 7 into 1000 plus that 200. Okay. So the answer is 7200 meter. Okay. Your textbook and exercise number 3.2. Convert the following kilometers into meters. Let us solve this. The first one, A. 1 kilometer. So, in order to convert this 1 kilometer into meter, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 1000. So, we already done it and the answer is 1000 meter. Okay. So, the next one, 4 kilometer. So, 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. Now the next, please do by yourself. Okay. Now let us move to the next section, the second section. So the example is 5 kilometer and 120 meter. So what we have to do? We have to convert this into meter. So 5 into 1000 plus that 120. Okay, so 5 into 1000, 5000 plus 120 is equal to 5120. Okay, so the next B and C you have to do by yourself. It is a homework for you. So this is all about the conversion of kilometers into meters, students. Please copy this on your notebook. Okay. Okay students, I hope you understood today's classes. Today we learned a new chapter, measurement. So we covered the topic, what is measurement and different types of measuring tools and measurement units, and also the conversion of meter into centimeter, and also the conversion of kilometer into meter. I hope you understood today's classes. Let me see you in the next class with the continuation of this chapter. Thank you.